Welcome to our YouTube channel where every month kids send in their invention ideas and we pick one and bring it to life.
And this month we're bringing to life 8-year-old Courtney's mega fun Zipwire to help us escape a tower. Let's go.
Kids invent stuff.
To bring to life Courtney's tower escaping invention, we're going to build a grappling hook launcher that will allow us to fire a Zipwire to escape our tower. So Courtney's invention idea is a grappling hook connected to a Zipwire. So we're going to use this grappling hook and we're going to connect it to a piece of pipe to create an arrow. And to fire the Zipwire, we're going to create a giant crossbow. So to build that, we're going to use a leaf spring, which is the suspension from a van, and that's going to be the bow of our crossbow. We've then got this big piece of wood, and that's going to form the body of our crossbow. We've got some wire, which is going to be the string on our bow, and then we've got this winch, which is going to pull back our string to fire out our grappling hook. So this is our leaf spring and we bought it off eBay, and this is the joy of buying things online, because when we come to test it, it's not quite bendy enough. So we need it to be able to pull back so we can fire out our grappling hook. So we've been and bought another one. So this is off a slightly smaller van and has a lot more spring in it.
So we're using these brackets to connect our bow, our leaf spring, onto our giant crossbow. And I've got to draw some holes to connect these to our leaf spring. And on this side here, there's already a hole. I love it when that happens. It's already there, in the right place. Amazing.
It's a giant crossbow.
So to create the string on our crossbow, we're going to create some loops in either end of this wire rope, and then we're going to attach those with a bolt through these pivoting parts on the end of our leaf spring so it can spring forwards, firing our grappling hook.
So we've not been welding for long, but we made a crossbow trigger. I am so proud. I mean, don't look too close, but it's in one piece. I'm putting on some bits of wood so that when we put our grappling hook bolt in our crossbow, it will fly out straight. Shawn, what are you doing?
I'm using this very strong support structure to mount our crossbow so we can fire it for the first time. I mean, we should probably get all 4 legs on the ground.
Any minute now. So we've got our grappling hook and we've attached it to this aluminium pole, and inside we've put some steel rod, and that will allow us to create a really strong crossbow bolt. Now we're going to attach that to this rope. Now this is really special because it's really strong, but it's also really light, so we'll be able to fire it using our crossbow bolt. Now this is going to be attached to this Zipwire wire, which was sent by our sponsors Gripple. Now this is way too heavy for us to fire with our crossbow bolt, so we're going to attach it to the rope and then pull it through, and then we're going to use these really clever tensioning devices to tension off our Zipwire so that we can put on it our Zipwire pulley and slide down our zip wire to escape our tower. Hello! I'm back!
So we finished building Courtney's giant grappling hook zipline firing crossbow.
And all that's left to do now is to test it. So a massive thank you to Gripple
Thank you,
for
guys.
making this challenge happen.
And join us next time to see what happens when we fire Courtney's crossbow to escape from a tower.
See you next week. Bye!
Kids invent stuff.
You just watched our channel where we bring things to life. If you want to see some more, then you should really hit subscribe.